Your customer's not tipping you good?
Really, nigga?
Well, here's what you want to do. Welcome back. I'm the Dashing Trader, and on this channel we help you maximize using gig apps like DoorDash, UberEats, Instacart, Grubhub, and all the rest. And if your customers are not tipping you, I got 5 things that I want you to do. Starting out with number 1, I want you to stop accepting no-tip orders. No-tip orders will not make you any money. You can't depend on cash tips. Cash tips are maybe 1 in every couple of hundred, and it ain't guaranteed.
Stop it.
So if you out there taking no-tip orders for no reason, like me, stop doing it, because I do it to confront customers and I don't do it to make money off of it. But if you doing it and you hoping for a cash tip, I need you to stop that right away. Step number 2, tip 2. If your customers are not tipping, here's the next thing you want to do. You want to start cherry picking. If you start cherry picking all the orders that you take and being more selective, you're more likely to see a tip.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
On DoorDash, the hidden tip indicator is $4 above your base pay. So if your base pay is $2, $6 is the hidden tip indicator. So on and so forth. On UberEats, you're looking at $11 for a hidden tip indicator. I don't know what the base pay is in your market, but in mine, it's $3. So I need $8 on a tip or more for it to indicate that hidden tip for me. So it's important that you stop taking those orders that don't have tips on them and you want to cherry pick your orders. Tip number 3, if you want to increase the tips you're getting, you need to stop delivering to miserable people. It's been proven that people who are miserable do not tip. Deliver to people in the morning time. Morning time people are more likely to tip on their food delivery orders. People who order at late night, people who order overnight, people who bag out their tips, they are miserable and they do not deserve our services. Tip number 4, are your customers not tipping? Here's what you want to do. Change your customers. If you're delivering at the same time of day, same days, same week, you're gonna get the same kind of customers. I need you to stop doing that right now. I need you to open up your schedule. I need you to go for those times where you normally ain't dashing. You might have to move a couple things around. You might have to dash in a couple areas where you don't normally dash in. But the main goal is to get new customers. If the customers you are delivered to are not tipping, you need new customers. And how do you get those new customers? Deliver at times and in places where you don't normally deliver. Tip number 5, if you want to increase the tips that you're getting from your customers, I need you to be out there multi-apping. If you're doing DoorDash, I need you to sign up for UberEats. I need you to sign up for Grubhub. I need you to sign up for Food Dudes. I need you to sign up for every food delivery app that you have available in your market. Are you going to be able to get into all of them? No, but you want to increase the amount of orders that you have access to in any given hour. And the way you do that is the multi-app. I use DoorDash, Grubhub, and UberEats all in conjunction when I'm out cherry picking for orders. That way, I have 3 different apps to choose the best from. That way I can maximize.